Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest.
It's your boy Hi-Fi Vega back again, and this time I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you how to make your wheels go from looking like this to looking like this. So I know I usually do audio stuff, but today I'm gonna show you how to clean your wheels, your aluminum wheels, get rid of that surface rust and shine them up. I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's just get straight into it. I want y'all to get a good look at these wheels in their current condition. They have definitely seen better days, but I think we can make them look really good again. I'm going to start by cleaning the wheels, and the Meguiars aluminum wheel cleaner that I got said go ahead and rinse the wheels off before you spray the product on, so that's what I'm doing now. Like I told you, I'm using the Meguiars Hot Rims aluminum wheel cleaner. You can use your favorite aluminum wheel cleaner. I happen to like this one. It's a reasonable price and it works pretty well in my experience. Go ahead and coat it liberally, and then it says to wipe it off with a scrub brush of some sort. And I've just got a little foam scrub pad here that I'm doing that with. Once I finished that, I just went ahead and rinsed them off, and you can see that this actually has the wheels looking pretty good in some spots. Now obviously it's not going to get rid of this surface rust. We'll have to use a scratch pad or a Scotch Brite pad to do that, and that's what I'm doing here, just water and Scotch Brite, and you can get almost all this surface rust off. It's not a bad job at all. It just takes a little bit of elbow grease. As you can see here, it does not take a lot to get a good result. So I went ahead and done this entire wheel, got it looking pretty good, got almost all the surface rust off. Now it's just time to dry it, and then we can polish it up, make it look even better. Before we get into the polishing, we need to make sure that we get this wheel completely dry. I'm just using a microfiber here, and I'm gonna dry the entire wheel off, and then we'll get into the polishing. As you guys can tell, I too love the Mother's products. This is an old bottle of aluminum and mag polish that I had. And what we're going to do here is just rub it on, and kind of like wax, you're going to let it haze up a little bit and then rub it off with another cloth, and it'll shine up really nice. Once this wheel is done, I think it looks pretty good. It's 100% better than what it was before. I still got a little gunk on the tire that I need to clean off, but this is a pretty easy job, something you can do in a couple hours at home. So if you got some old aluminum wheels, try this out and tell me what you think. If you've done this before, let me know in the comments. Do you have some better tips that I didn't get to? Anything like that. And if you like these type of videos, please let me know, subscribe, hit the little bell, do all that type of stuff. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Shout out to all my Patreon supporters, but I want to give a special shout out to the $6 or more members: 2001 Monolithic, The Third Era, G Nava, Joaquin Juarez, Paul Smith, Byron Chambliss, The Cardio Guy, Jason Zemer, Travis McClendon, Brandon Hanna, William Berg, Boxboy Audio Sound Solutions, and Jesus Tires. For as little as $2 a month, you can join the team and get exclusive Patreon-only content not available on YouTube. So if you want to help your boy out, check me out at patreon.com/Hi-Fi Vega.
Oh.